Good morning students and my dear friends and my dear subscribers. This is K. Santosh Kumar, PGP Zoology, Srikakulam. Last day we learned about the characters of Coelenterata. The Coelenterata also called as a Cnidaria. Okay, we know that different type of the characters. How to why it's called as a Cnidaria, because which contains the cnidoblast cells and or cnidocytes present on their body surface and on the tentacles. Okay, why it is known as a Coelenterata? Coelenterata means because which contain the coelenteron, gastrovascular cavity which contain. That's what it's called as a coelenteron. And they exhibit some type of the coelentrates to exhibit the polymorphism. బహురూపకతను చూపిస్తున్నాయి. For example, Physalia, Portuguese of man of war. Some type of the coelentrates they show that two type of the body forms. This is the best characters having the cnidarians. Okay, they show the two type of the body forms, polypoid form and medusa form. Okay, polypoid form reproduce medusoid form by the asexual mode of reproduction. This medusa form to produce polypoid form through by the sexual form, that is called syngamy. Okay, and this asexual formation and sexual formation is alternatively repeated in their life cycle. That's why it is called alternation of generation, metagenesis. Okay, this metagenesis is a very important character in these organisms. Okay, and let us today we see that classification of the Cnidaria. The Cnidaria classification is divided into three subphylums. That's called Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa. Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa అనేటువంటి మూడు ఉపవర్గాలుగా దీన్ని విభజించడం జరిగింది. We're coming to that Hydrozoa. Okay, general characters of Hydrozoa. We see that solitary or colonial సహనివాసాలుగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అదే విధంగా ఏకాంతంగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హైడ్రా. ఓకే, then the life cycle includes sedentary asexual polypoid form and the swimming medusoid form. Okay, sedentary asexual form, polypoid form and free swimming medusoid form, and it is produced alternatively. These two types of the forms are alternatively formed in their life cycle. That's why these are called what type of the character? Already said before class, that is called metagenesis. Okay, for example, Obelia to show that metagenesis. Then coming to that mesoglia. Where did you find this mesoglia presence between the ectoderm and endoderm? బాహ్య త్వచానికి అంతత్వచానికి మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక నాన్ సెల్యులర్ part. It is a matrix. It's a non-cellular matrix presence between the ectoderm and endoderm. That is called mesoglia. It is a non-cellular matrix. Okay, then coming to that coelenteron. Already we know that gastrovascular cavity called as a coelenteron. Okay, ఇక్కడ coelenteron అనేటువంటిది ఎక్కడ ఉంది? This coelenteron is undivided. It's not a divide. But some type of the coelentrates or cnidarians have contains the coelenteron is divided into smaller chambers. That's called mesenteries. కొన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి coelentrates లో ఇదే coelenteron అనేది చిన్న చిన్న గదులుగా విభజితం అవుతుందండి. దాన్నే ఏమన్నారంట? coelenteries అని అంటారు. Okay, this coelenteron is undivided here. Next, cnidoblast cells. Already we know that cnidoblast cells are present on their body and tentacles. That's why it's called as a cnidarians. It's used for the capturing the food material. Okay, and it's used for the defense. Okay, already we know that these cnidoblast cells occurs only in the ectoderm, not in endoderm. Okay, it's only occurs in the ectoderm. Next, coming to the germ cells, which is helps in the sexual mode of life. Okay, so these are the cnidoblast cells. That is the diagrammatic presentation of the cnidoblast cells. This is the cnidoblast cell. As germ cells, these are derived from the ectoderm. It is also derived from the ectoderm. అంటే బాహ్య త్వచం నుంచి బీజ కణాలు కూడా ఏర్పడుతూ ఉంటాయండి. these germ cells are produced to the which form? Polypoid form, because the medusoid form reproduced to the polypoid form by process of singamy, sexual reproduction. That's why these germ cells are help in sexual reproduction. Singamy lo use avutunnayandi. Then coming to that, some exhibit some type of the cnidarians to exhibit polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism, bahurupakata ani antarandi, with a different type of the zooids. ఈ బహురూపకతలో జీవుల్లో ఏం కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి? ఇక్కడ జీవకాలు అనేవి కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయండి, ఏర్పడుతూ ఉంటాయి జూయిడ్స్. ఓకే, బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫైసేలియా. ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఎ Portuguese man of war. Example, Hydra. Okay, Hydra, what kind of the nature it is? Sedentary, asexual, okay, polypoid form. Okay, fresh water polyp ani antarandi danne, kabatti Hydra ni fresh water polyp ani antaru. Obelia, seafarer. Okay, Physalia, Portuguese man of war. What kind of the character shown by the Physalia? Polymorphism. Okay, they exhibits the polymorphism with the different types of zooids. జీవకాన్ని కలిగి ఉంటుందండి. Then coming to that, another subphylum that is called as Scyphozoa, that commonly called as a jellyfish. Its survival as a colonical or solitary. Okay, most of the numbers are survival as a colonical, free swimming, స్వేచ్ఛగా ఈదుతూ ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని సహనివాసాలుగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి, ఏవో కొన్ని ఏకాంతంగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయండి. జెల్లీ ఫిష్, ఆల్రెడీ వి నో దట్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అరేలియా. ఇట్ ఈస్ అంబ్రెల్లా షేప్డ్ ఫార్మ్. ఓకే, రైట్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద సొలిటరీ అండ్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ మెడూసాయిడ్ ఫార్మ్. ఓకేనా, సొలిటరీ, ఏకాంతంగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి ఎక్కువగా. ఓకే, మెడూసాయిడ్ ఫార్మ్. Then mouth is surrounded by the four oral arms. నాలుగు భుజాలు అనేటువంటివి ఉంటాయండి. ఓకేనా, ద మౌత్ ను చుట్టూ ఆవరించి ఇక్కడ ఫోర్ ఓరల్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఉంటాయి. లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్స్ ఏ అరేలియా. ఓకేనా, అరేలియా. సో ఇట్స్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద Portuguese man of, it's known as jellyfish. It's known as a jellyfishes. It is a solitary and a medusoid form. Mouth is surrounded by the four oral arms. Okay na? Next, coelenteron is a divides. Already I said that the coelenteron is a divides into four chambers. Okay, but in Hydrozoa the mesenteron is not a divide, it's undivided. So in the Scyphozoa the coelenteron is a divides into chambers. How many chambers are here? 4 chambers and some canals. ఇలా ఈ రెండు అంటే ఈ నాలుగు ఒక గదులుగా విభజితమే కాకుండా coelenteron అనేది కొన్ని కెనాల్స్ గా కూడాను విభజన చెంది ఉందండి. Then mesoglia contain the already we know that the mesoglia is a it is a matrix. Okay, mesoglia is a matrix presence between the ectoderm and endoderm. బాహ్య త్వచానికి మధ్య త్వచానికి మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి acellular part, non cellular part or matrix, దాన్ని ఏమన్నారు? mesoglia అని అంటారు. These mesoglia contain what kind of the cells? In here, so in Hydrozoa that is a cellular. The mesoglia is a cellular, but in here in the Scyphozoa this mesoglia contain amoebocytes, which contain amoebocyte అనేటువంటి కణాలు ఈ యొక్క mesoglia అనేటువంటి ఉంటున్నాయి. ఓకేనా, you don't forget mesoglia is a cellular matrix between the ectoderm and endoderm. Then coming to that Cnidocytes. Already we know that Cnidocytes are occurs in the ectoderm and endoderm. In the Hydrozoa it is only occurs in the ectoderm, but here in the Scyphozoa find in the ectoderm and also endoderm. And germ cells, it's derived from the endoderm. ఇది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి అవుతున్నాయి? germ cells అనేటువంటివి endoderm నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి అవుతున్నాయి. Then it is a participated in the sexual reproduction. For example, Aurelia and Rhizostoma. Aurelia and Rhizostoma. Then Anthozoa. At last, subphylum of the Coelenterata, that is called Anthozoa. It is also known as Actinozoa. This Actinozoa is commonly referred. How to it's referred? Sea anemones. With sea anemones, they are sedentary. Like in Hydrozoa. Hydrozoa is sedentary. Sedentary. Then it is what kind of the forms are only present in here? Polypoid forms. Polypoid రూపాలు మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ యాక్టినోజోవాలో మనకు కనిపించేయండి. Then coming to that, coelenteron is divided into several compartments. In Hydrozoa, coelenteron is undivided. In Scyphozoa, the coelenteron is divided into 4 chambers. In here, in Actinozoa, the coelenteron is divided into several chambers. Aneka gaduluga untayandi. Okay na? We find the some differences. Alanti differences మీరు identify చేయాలి. Okay? So in here, in the Actinozoa or Anthozoa, the coelenteron is divided into the several compartments by the vertical septals. చిన్న చిన్న నిలువుగా ఉన్నటువంటి విభాజితాల చేత గోడల చేత సెప్టా అని అంటారు. వెంట్రికల్ సెప్టా చేత ఇవి కంపార్ట్మెంట్స్ గా డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయండి. దీన్ని ఏమన్నారు? మీసెంటరీస్. సో ద mesenteron, the coelenteron is divided into several compartments by the vertebral, vertical septa, that is called mesenteries. Then coming to that, here mesoglia contain connective tissues. Mesoglia అనేది దీంట్లో ఏ విధంగా దేన్ని కలిగి ఉన్నాయంట? కనెక్టివ్ టిష్యూస్ ని కలిగి ఉన్నాయండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, స్కైపోజోవాలో దేన్ని కలిగి ఉన్నాయి? అమీబోసైట్స్. బట్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద యాక్టినోజోవా mesoglia contain the connective tissue. సంయోజక కణజాలం అనేది కలిగి ఉంది. అండ్ నీడోసైట్స్ అక్కర్స్ ఎక్కడున్నాయి? నీడోసైట్స్ ఎక్టోడర్మ్ అండ్ ఎండోడర్మ్ లైక్ స్కైపోజోవా. ఎక్టోడర్మ్లోను ఎండోడర్మ్లోను బాహ్య త్వచంలోను అంతఃత్వచంలోను నీడోసైట్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఉంటున్నాయి. దెన్ the germ cells are produced from the endoderm. Okay, the germ cells are produced from the endoderm. Best example we see in the Actinozoa or Anthozoa, Adamsia. Okay na, sea anemone, Adamsia, sea anemone. Next, Corallium rubrum. So it is a red sea. Okay, then coming to that, Corallium rubrum and Red Sea coral. It is also known as a Corallium rubrum, also called as a Red Sea corals. And then Gorgonia, sea fan ani antarandi. Sea fan ani antaru dinne Gorgonia. And Pennatula, dinne sea pen ani antaru. Sea fan, sea pen. Gorgonia, sea fan. Pennatula, sea pen. Okay. So these are all about Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa and Anthozoa. It's very important in the examination point of view, especially MCET and NEET. Don't forget boys and girls. And then, so you want to like my more videos, like, comment and subscribe my Santosh Zoology channel. Thank you all of you.